can you tie the string for me? Oh, of course. Oh, are we popping titties instead of fireworks? Cone, shut up.
Gone.
What's up?
I just found the fair over there. They have hella roller coasters. So come with me in line.
Wait, I want to go.
No, Luca, you're doing something.
But I wanted to get a churro and some cotton candy. Please, can I go with you?
Come on.
Alrighty, we'll be back, you guys. Be safe. And stay together. Hey, listener. You alright? Just checking. I like your outfit. Of course.
Isn't today just filled with excitement? I'm just so happy. Yeah, I'm happy. We're all together, you know? And that's just what makes me so happy about this. That I have all of you guys, and I get to experience my favorite holiday with you guys. Yeah.
Well, not typically, no. But 4th of July is special to me. Not by its history, but just how we can look past everything. And everything that was ugly about it. All the bad history. We still choose to come together and celebrate the good that we did still. Even if we don't like each other. We can still unite in a way. And I just like being united. Don't you? Well, everyone's different, you know. Not everybody feels the need to be, you know, with a group. But you guys are my people. And I'm so glad I get to spend it with you. You're one of the most exciting parts of this. Really. Have you ever celebrated this holiday? Well, whether or not you did or haven't, it's still gonna be an amazing experience because you have me, of course. And I'm gonna make it as extraordinary as always. Because that's how you deserve. They're already popping some fireworks. The sun hasn't even went down yet, but you can kind of see them. Ooh, that one's pretty. It kind of looks like the color of my hair. Are you gonna pop some fireworks? You don't know. Why not? I think you should. I mean, there's no harm. Maybe have one of the boys. I wouldn't say go. Probably Killua will help you. Gon's probably gonna set his hair on fire. I bet you $5. Don't tell him I said that. You know, it's crazy how loud the world can get on days like this. But with you, it's peaceful. And it's crazy. Because you're just a friend. We got tickets! Yeah. Everyone who has 10 tickets.
You don't even understand how much these tickets were.
How much were the tickets? They were $2 a piece, and we got 10 each.
So you do the math.
You spent $120 on tickets?
I mean, we can go on all the big rides now.
Are you guys even thinking rationally right now? Never mind, it doesn't even matter. This is about memories and memories only.
Okay, what do you guys want to do first? I wanted to go look at all the food stands. I've never gotten to eat American food. Me either. And I wanted to eat a hamburger. I see that for you, Gone. Okay, well, if we're gonna eat, then we will go on the roller coasters first. But if we're gonna eat first, then we're gonna have to sit down for a little bit, talk, and then get back on the fair. I want to eat food. Alrighty, we're going to the food. We're going to the food fair. Okay. I'm gonna eat corn dogs. You're gonna eat what? I'm gonna hit hot dogs, corn dogs, popcorn, maybe even some cotton candy. Ooh, what's that? He spent $120 just on tickets? That's crazy.
Well, Killua doesn't really care about money. You know that.
I get it, but jeez. So willingly. You guys, come here.
What'd you guys find?
It's fried Oreos.
Like the cookie?
Yeah, look.
Oh my god, it looks so good!
I want that right now. But they're $15. Excuse me, sir. Can I get, how many can I buy? You could either get the 15 or the 5. 15 to 5. Go on, what are you thinking?
I'm thinking we should split that 15.
15, sir. Alrighty, I'll have that out for you.
Yes! Thanks, Killua.
No need to thank me, I'm about to demolish these.
Where'd they go? These are called sprinklers. You light them and they're like... Oh, look, right there. The little kids, they have them. They're shaking them around. Don't worry. I want us to have colored sprinklers because the regular ones are boring and they burn out really fast. Excuse me, ma'am? Oh, yeah. Can I please get your colored sprinklers? At least like 5 packs? Oh, of course. 1 second.
I don't even know if they're gonna be able to get on those roller coasters after all that food. Exactly. And then they're talking about swimming later. Like, what are they... Thank you. Oh, you can keep the change. What? It was 15 cents.
Where'd you guys run off to?
Oh, we just got some sprinklers real quick. We were coming back. Here, try a fried Oreo.
I'll pass. Oh, you can though. Here. Open your mouth. Nope. Open your mouth. Your hands are dirty. Because you were sitting on the ground with Rose, and I went to the bathroom and washed my hands. So here.
What do you think?
It's good, right? It's nasty.
Bruh.
Your taste buds are just weird.
I got us sprinklers for later when it gets dark. What do you guys want to do in the meantime? You are just gonna eat fried Oreos, or are we gonna actually go get some food? Well, I did see a taco truck somewhere around here.
I said I wanted a burger.
And you're gonna get your damn burger gone? Jeez.
I don't want you guys overlooking my wants.
Nobody's overlooking your wants, Gone.
Killua. You gonna ask a girl for her number while we're here?
For what?
I mean, there's a lot of girls looking at you.
Or maybe they're looking at you, Gone.
I highly doubt it.
Ugh. That girl just made eye contact with me. Exactly.
How come guys are never looking at me?
Luca, we've had this conversation.
I mean, I get it, but... What is it? I want a boyfriend. I just don't want to look for him. Then he'll come in due time, Aluka. Don't stress it. What's ever meant for you will find you in the right time. Do you really believe that?
Ask Elle about it.
Elle? But I know. But it's not even like wanting a boyfriend for the kissing and cuddling and all of that. But just for experiences like this. Genuinely wanting to create memories with somebody. Somebody I love and admire and cherish. But there's nobody. You have us, Aluka. And that's all you need right now. Are we not fulfilling it? It isn't that. It's just... Iluka, you are a brave, smart, and beautiful girl. And whatever guy or girl stands up to you and wants you, you will know they're right for you. But all in due time. Don't fixate on the things you don't have, but fixate on the things you do. Like the friendships that you already have in front of you. Make memories with us, Aluka.
What are you guys talking about?
Nothing, Killua.
Aluka, come on.
For what?
I need to talk to you, come on.
I'll be right back. She's so cute. And truly, I don't want her to get hurt by being so fixated on these stupid guys. Guys are dumb. No, we're not.
Gon, you should be the last person preaching that you're not.
Okay. Is this where we're getting food?
Yeah, this is the taco truck I wanted to try.
Ooh, burgers! Gon! I'm gonna go with him so he doesn't get lost.
Hey. You having fun? It's good to hear. I really was hoping you didn't become like, homesick or like overwhelmed with the atmosphere here. These people get really rowdy. Yeah, a guy fucking shoved me into the trash can and then called me a dick. I wasn't even in his way. I just stood there. I was like, what just happened? But Gon tripped him. And then we laughed. And then we left. I don't know what I'm gonna get. Do you see anything you want? We're looking at food, not drinks, okay? Have you even ate today? Exactly. So food, not drinks. Drinks come after food. Aluka, she ran after Rose. Yeah, it's just us. Oh. What does O mean? What, do you not want to be with me? I mean, no, not like, do you not? You know what I meant. What's wrong with hanging out with me? I thought we were friends. Then what is it like? Because when you say oh to hanging out with somebody you've been standing with for 3 minutes, it kind of makes me question, do you even want to be standing with me? Then don't say oh. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm telling you not to say oh. You're making me question stuff. Question if we're friends. Okay, we're friends. Jeez. You're low-key a little firecracker, you know? I like that about you sometimes. You're usually quiet, listening, observing, but when you bite back, like at Gon or me, for example, it just makes me like you more. As a friend, of course, but you get it. Hey, can I get your chicken tacos? 3. And, what did you want? I told you food, not drinks. Okay, you can get the drink, but you have to get something. At least it doesn't matter if it's small. You need food. And can I get your, taquitos? Thank you. Oh my gosh. Look at this food. I didn't even know the menu had all these things. Damn it. I think I'm gonna have to come back.
I got a burger.
And he tackled someone's grandma for it. What?
There was only one burger left. They were closing up shop, and that was the last burger truck here, okay? I had to do what I had to do.
I'm pretty sure we're gonna get kicked out if the police find us. Gone, what the hell?
Hey, that lady has some strong knees. There is nothing wrong with that grown ass. Don't look at me. Gone. Killua.
This guy. How was your time? Sorry I had to leave you with Killua. You okay? Oh, I'm just wondering. Your cheeks are kind of flushed. No? Oh, okay. Oh, I won't question anything. If you're not telling me. Did you get any food? Killua made you. Of course he was. I have to take this phone call. One sec. Hello?
So what you get, Killua?
I got some chicken tacos, and listener got some taquitos because they don't want to eat real food.
What do you mean?
They just wanted to get some damn drink. I'm not letting this shit slide.
Okay, protector.
Nobody's a protector, just trying to be a good friend.
Yeah. Friend.
What are you doing that for?
I don't know. Just curious about you and your friend.
I don't know why you're winking so hard.
Because they're totally your friend. You get it?
No, I don't.
Okay, Killua, you're really fucking killing the vibe.
Sorry. Where'd Rose go?
Sorry, I had to take a phone call.
It wasn't anything.
No? Sure it's okay?
Yeah, it was just my little brother. Little brother?
Oh,
Yeah, he's... It doesn't matter. Just annoying.
you never told us you had a little brother.
Because he wasn't living out here. And now he is. So we have that going for us.
Did I hear someone say they have a little brother? Who has a little brother?
Nobody, Aluka. Everybody. Nobody has a little brother, right? Yeah, nobody.
Totally.
Whoa.
Oh shit, that's cool.
Look, you guys, the fireworks. They're already popping them. Oh, dude, this is fucking cool. I love America sometimes, you guys. Okay, go, don't say that too loud. Should we go find a place to sit and watch the fireworks?
Yeah, of course. Go and don't put your feet by my food. Well, don't put your food by my feet.
Come on, everybody squeeze in for a picture. Go move.
Sorry, I need to be in the middle. Eee.
On the count of 3, everybody cheese. 1, 2, 3. Cheese!
Cheese!
We look so cute. I love it.
Hey, Killua, you trying to get some pictures of me later?
Nope, ask Luca.
Luca. Of course, Gon. You know I got you.
I love you sometimes, you know, Luca. I know, I love you too, Gon. You guys are so weird. A toast to an amazing holiday together. Finally. I love you guys. We love you too.
Yeah, I love you guys.
No, enough with the sappy shit. Eat your food. Killua doesn't want to be emotional. a fulfilling day. Don't you think? Hey, it's kind of been on my mind all night, basically, and you remember New Year's? Me and you on the balcony. You were crying because the guy you were talking to ghosted you. And you didn't tell anybody about it but me. Listener, you like me too? Fucking finally, come here. Best holiday ever. Why didn't you say anything? I've been walking on eggshells around your cute ass all day. I don't care. Just kiss me.